Karuna go,
Karuna go,
Karuna go,
Karuna go,
go Karuna,
go Karuna,
go Karuna,
go Karuna,
Karuna go,
Karuna go,
Karuna go,
Karuna go,
go Karuna,
go Karuna,
go Karuna.
go Karuna.
The hot topic is a virus, country getting shut down, affecting the business. Cancel all the meetings, time to watch Netflix. How to be a fuckboy now? Nobody wanna kisses. Yeah, stating first world problems. I can eat no chicken with a salad and a problem. I can holiday with my bake and a problem, but I still make music 'cause you know I'm awesome. Yeah, people going insane. Some of them need to sanitize their brain. Don't know what the people are doing in Bombay, especially the ones who take the local trains. Now, how do we stop this? How do we make it go? What is the process? Easy, get a bunch of people with some candles. Listen now close. Here comes the catchy chorus.
Go Karuna, go Karuna, go